We're excited to be working with Mondelēz International, one of the world's largest and best-known food companies. With a 125-year heritage and brands like Oreo, Cadbury, and Triscuit. Like many global companies, Mondelēz had struggled with a disconnected new product development process across its many business units. The company needed an immediate solution that would help give innovation teams better visibility to projects, portfolios, and deadlines.
So it's all been about the global portfolio transparency. That was our primary goal, which was to provide the business one single source of truth of everything that we're doing in the world of innovation across our global business.
Mondelēz recently completed phase 1 of Sopheon's Accolade software implementation as part of a rapid deployment that took just 9 weeks. Today, the company is seeing positive changes to its innovation management process by embracing collaboration and streamlining decision-making.
Our journey so far has actually proved extremely positive. So 7 out of our 14 business units across the globe are now live, and we will have completed the balance of that deployment, so we will be fully deployed globally. So that's basically 6 months to deploy across a global business.
See how Sopheon is helping Mondelēz make its innovation processes smarter, leaner, and more agile.